For the last few years there's been a huge upsurge in the use of vitamin C in facial products. Since its discovery in the 1970s, it's been known that vitamin C has had tremendous benefits within the body. While most people would think of its use for fighting off the common cold, there's a large body of research that shows its ability to support the entire immune system, prevent the build-up of harmful plaque in the arteries and thereby reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, and even reduce DNA damage that can lead to some cancerous tumour development. So yeah, it's an important vitamin that you should look to supplement, and ideally look for a buffered type which is less harsh on the stomach. I use a powder added to a large glass of water before bed. So it's great on the inside of the body, but what about on the skin? It's been shown through multiple studies that vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect the skin from environmental pollutants and ultraviolet radiation. It also claims to help with collagen biosynthesis. I won't go into the mechanics or the potential benefits of it here, as I'll be making a video specifically for just that. Here I want to talk specifically about the first vitamin C serum I've used, which is from the men's skincare brand Antony. First thing to mention is the packaging. It has a lovely black and silver design which looks suitably manly, but it's actually very practical. The pump dispenser gives you exactly the right amount, and vitamin C will oxidise in sunlight, so any serum needs to be stored in an opaque container. The Antony website describes the product as a lightweight vitamin C treatment that helps minimise discoloration, retextures and brighten skin tone by protecting the skin against premature aging. Its active ingredients include polypeptides and salicylic acid, which are popular components of skin brightening products, and licorice root extract, which is claimed to help an even skin tone. So as I said earlier, this is the first vitamin C product I've used, and having just run out after constant use over the last couple of months, I have to say that I've been genuinely impressed. I would use it once a day in the evening after a double cleanse and toner and before my night moisturiser. The product is recommended to use morning and night. I chose to use it just once per day, mainly because it's not cheap and I wanted it to last. At this point it's worth mentioning that at this time of making this video, my channel is still very small, so I don't get sent stuff to review. Everything I use and review I've had to pay for myself. It's an expensive hobby, guys. The serum is an orange colour gel with a subtle citrus scent that is very easy to smooth over the face and absorbs quickly. Within the first week of use, my skin felt more even, and by the end of the second week it looked more even too. I have to admit, guys, that I am now totally sold on the idea of a vitamin C serum being included in my daily routine. Would it be this product by Antony though? Based on the results, it probably would be. However, for the benefit of the channel, my next one will be from another manufacturer, as I just love trying new products, and of course so I can review it for you guys. It's currently available on Amazon for around £44 for 30 ml. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check it out, along with plenty of other reviews from other users, which seems around mid-range for a quality serum. Sure, there are £20 versions from little known brands online. I expect their concentrations to be low and to lack the complementary active ingredients used in more premium brands. You could go to high-end, something like Murad's Daily Renewal Complex, which is about £80 for the same amount, or just go crazy and try the Zelon's Power Drops at £130. Guys, if you're looking for a high-quality vitamin C facial serum and are willing to pay the price, this really is an excellent product. Not only has it convinced me of the need for this type of product in my daily routine, but it's also encouraged me to try more products from their range. So my question for you guys is, have you tried a vitamin C serum yet? If so, which one and what did you think? Is there a serum you want me to try next so I can review it? So I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, it's always appreciated. And if you're not already a subscriber, click the button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos every week. Follow me on social media and let me know if you have any grooming questions, a product you would like me to review. That said, thank you for visiting the channel and I hope to see you again real soon.